7 years. Jack's going to be one of them
I've been
today.
videos so much, I feel famous.
You are. Now you are. For a little while. No, but I like it when we got some good officers around that honor the oath, that know the law. A lot of cops don't know the law. They think traffic tickets are law.
See the cops that come running.
We had an
Took off
officer
running.
not long ago
Oh, God.
pull up 2 friends of mine. One was busted for pot. That judge is going to jail because pot's not against the law. It's against the statute, code, and ordinance. Then he tried to pull my same buddy over for traveling without a license and no insurance. Law. And now that also got turned over. Noella Prosecues. They called it mutual combatant, but the Supreme Court, still standing case testimony, says it's not mutual combatant. It's stupidity and ignorance and extortion on the law's behalf. So we don't give them acquiescence and we sue the sons of bitches because that's what they deserve. I am your boss. You are not mine. Know the difference. My father and grandfather's fought 4 wars, and I ain't kissing your stupid ass for the boss. And that's what one of them just understood this last week. And then Judge Grode asked my boy, please don't put me in prison. Please don't put me in prison. Please don't put me in prison. And Judge Grode is in fact going to prison. So is Judge Franklin. She's being investigated right now by federal marshals. I love that because they think they're smart and they're dumb sons of bitches.
Judge Green.
That's what they are. When you don't honor your oath of office, I don't care who you are. I don't care what Freemason, Illuminati, garbage society that your daddy owns with good old boy money. Your ass is going to prison because knowledge trumps power. And all your guns and bombs. And I don't give a fuck who you think you are. But yeah, Jack's a real piece of work, brother. And he's trying to disrupt Lisa's life. And that's who you should be talking to. Because she's going to file criminal charges for harassment. Because this is the last time that this is going to happen. I've had CPS out here. My deputies love me. They know who I am here. Child Protective Services. And it's over the same thing. And because we have the right to know and address our attackers and accusers, it's going to be a bitch for them in a little while. See, I don't bother me with that. And I do this for free. I don't even charge a fee to get these children back from these corrupt sons of pork vomit. So when they try...
You done with you? You done with you? That's it?
You do realize the lawful judicial ass whooping has just introduced themselves too, right?
Yes.
Now guys, you just now heard me tell these police officers that my tires over there on the truck were shot out by Jack Haney using a firearm. And I didn't choose to press charges at the time, and I don't choose to now, and the state can't pick them up because that would be against the federal ordinance. So what I'd like at this time is if he tries any more crap with my family, I'm going to file a commercial lien against the state's hazard bond, the judge's bond if one signs, not stamps. Red stamps do not constitute a signature. They're illegal and invalid. And I won't give more acquiescence. If Mr. Haney doesn't stop, there's 3 ways he can handle this. He can meet me in a courtroom where he'll end up in jail. He can get a commercial lien, or he can sign a waiver for the YMCA ring. He can pick one of the 3 because I don't just educate in law. I like big, thick boys that are dumbasses that don't honor their oath of office or respect other Americans who aren't bothering them. I love that. You get that? Because I want him to know I'm tired of playing with him now. He's done everything unlawful and illegal because he's an asshole. He's trying to hurt Lisa, his ex-wife, who no longer wants his dumb, violent, abusive ass around. And now that the boys wanted to spend the summer with their father, I guess one of them wants to come back. He's trying to make trouble. He shouldn't do that. He's not playing with some dumbass country bumpkin working on daddy's good old boy, good Freemason money. I'm not that maggot. I educate him in the law and a bunch of other things. So if he keeps on, I have the right to know my attackers and my aggressors. We will be filing a commercial lien against everyone involved, and I don't want that to happen. So that needs to go back to our boss and our super analyst back at the hive, honestly. With all due respect, without threat, without frivolity, and without vexation. Because if you're honoring your oath of office, you're just another brother, and I respect you and bless you. And if it is extortion, then welcome to hell. With all my heart and all the love I can muster. Because I just want other brothers that honor their oath of office. You guys aren't going out, aren't risking your life for no reason. And I respect that. My father did the same thing. So did my mother and my grandfather. So that Constitution is going to be upheld, and no one's going to step on shit. And Jack better leave us alone. And I mean that lawfully.
All right.
Any other questions you need, officer? Anybody else you need to see here?
Not at the moment, no sir.
Okay, then with all due respect, blessings, and please stay safe. I see you don't have a flat jacket. It's a dangerous world out there. That's all I'm trying to say, brother. No threat. If you honor your oath of office, I need you alive. Okay, seriously. If you are a good cop, I need your ass here.
My family needs me alive too.
See, that's all I'm trying to say, man. You could be in. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. Oh, you fuck the cop. No. There's a lot of good individuals. I grew up in a good neighborhood, believe it or not, in Baltimore City, and on the reservation where cops actually got into the law because they saw little ones being abused, mom having her ass whooped, dad beating up so-and-so at the local church. That kind of shit can't go. So if you are, just like you say, man, I need you here too. So does my little ones. I got children and grandchildren in this world. They need you too.
Right.
So, but yeah, all right. Just have a good day, man. If anything else takes place, please let us know.
Appreciate y'all's time.
Have a good one.
All right. Bless you guys. That's okay. That's all right.
That's a detective for the sheriff's office.
I didn't record it.
That's fine.
I get
That's
David
on
my
our
phone
side.
and keep calling
That's
that
on
lady.
our side.
Little bear, I heard cop. The next thing I did, I forgot the phone. Told Bev I grabbed my phone.
That's all
I
right.
come running.
That's all right. They're
I
on our
grabbed
side.
mine.
They're
That's
on our
what I was
side.
looking for. I was like, fuck, somebody took off.
That's what family sticks. Hey, that's what family sticks together for, Bear.
I asked her if she was trying to get a hold of that lady in the UK.
Renee was
So I didn't
out
have
by
my
that
phone
van.
So guys, go ahead.
No,
This is another rat.
Yep.
You brought a dog. What happened?
Nothing.
nothing. The dog
brought a
left with
dog?
the tail tucked between his legs.
And thank God the other officer opened the thing so he could have some good cold air. Because if you leave the hood shut, the officer told me that the dog gets hot. The air doesn't work well for him.
That's true.
So, don't want the dog in there. But here we go, Tommy. Would you, buddy? Yeah.
Next time we could just charge him a consultation fee. We'd be like, I see you guys want to do this, but it's
Love it.
now.
I love listening to him.
You hear me say all the time, with all due respect, let the record reflect, I'm not obligated to educate the judge and presiding over this case.
I love listening to Adam. I
I'm
sat
not
there and talked to him
obligated
last
to
night.
teach these officers. He said we're going to start charging them a consultation fee. You understand why I love
brother.
your Jewish
Right.
ass?
Did you hear
You Hebrew motherfucker. I love you.
What happened to the car party? He had his hood up. Did he go through a bad time?
No, he had a
Something about that. We're busy.
he had a dog in the car. Yeah.
I know how big people are.
What is other Travelers? J&T Travelers versus City of Tampa, Hillsborough County. Motorists illegally. She was over there.
Yeah, I seen that. She's like, they were there.
Bless your heart. See that? Now, when you get 5 or 6 of these down, and I'll have them, this benefits our team, guys. This benefits our team.
You agreed to
That's
be
more
detained
harassment.
right there. You didn't notice him of anything. If you would have said, okay, this is my fee.
Oh, okay. I could have said, I'll go.
You could have said it was also under duress. Yeah.
Huh?
Under duress, basically, is what that was when you're walking out there and against anything that's going on.